Oops, I did it again. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Cook with Katrina, my plant life. Today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make overnight coconut chia seed pudding. So let's get started. I'd like to explain a little bit about the ingredients that we're using today. So I've chosen to opt for organic chia seeds, which I do all the time. You can get chia seeds in white or black. And then I love strawberries, so that's why I've chosen strawberries. I've also had mango and banana before, love them both, so you can use those. And we have granola. You can use both toppings together, or you can just use granola or just have the fruit. So it's up to you what flavours that you prefer. In terms of the coconut milk, so there's a couple of little tips that I want to say. I do buy organic coconut milk where possible. One of the things that I like to do is just check, if it's a new brand that I haven't used before, I'll always check the ingredients on the back just to make sure that it does say it's 100% organic coconut kernel extract and filtered water. Because some brands, they say it's 100% coconut milk, but then when you check the ingredients, there's all these additional additives and all these odd things that shouldn't really be in there. So just a tip from me. Now these are two different brands. I actually tend to prefer to buy this brand from Sri Lanka, which I will link in the description below. Sometimes I also buy this one. The difference between the two, even though they're both coconut milks, one of them is actually a lot more creamier than the other. So this one is very thick, but then again, if you like things thick and creamy, certainly go for that one. And then this one is the one that we're going to be using today. It's a lot more like a liquid, and then you put it in the fridge and it doesn't sort of clump together. It still remains its consistency. Right, so let's prepare our coconut chia seed pudding. So I have here my 2 Tupperwares. I like to use these instead of bowls because they're great for on the go, especially if you want to take them to work. Sorry, that's my crying cat who's always desperate for treats, especially when I'm in the kitchen. Okay, so we'll first of all start with the chia seeds. Now, I have half a cup here, so you want your 2 portions to come out of this half a cup, but you don't use the whole of this half a cup. We're talking about 1/8, so it's half of this half cup. You want to split this 1/8 between your 2 portions. So just split it equally. And I know it doesn't look like a lot, but once the chia seeds soak up all that lovely coconut milk, it's going to be amazing and it's really going to be filling. Okay, so we've got our chia seeds. So here's portion number 1 and portion number 2. Right, so I'm just going to shake this in. Now we're going to go back to my half a cup, and for each portion of your pudding you'll use half a cup of coconut milk. And then I'll move over to portion 2, and again half a cup of your organic coconut milk. And you can see how liquidy it is. It smells so good. I love coconut milk. I use it in a lot of my cooking. Okay, and then what you want to do is give it a little stir in the dish. So this is just to get the chia seeds moving into the coconut milk. Okay, so this is what it looks like at the moment. Don't be worried if there's little bits of chia seeds floating on the top. Eventually, once we stir it the second time round, all the chia seeds soak up all that goodness and it'll be so tasty, I promise you. And we will pop them in the fridge for an hour and then get them out for their second stir. Okay, so we've got our chia seeds. It's been an hour. So we're going to go in for our second stir. And I'll just give you a little look just to see what they look like. Okay, so you just want to sort of be quite firm, stir it around. If you feel any bits of chia seeds at the bottom of your dish, just make sure you get to them, scrape them up off the bottom. Leave your chia seed pudding in the fridge overnight or a minimum of 6 hours. And I will just grab the one that I did earlier. As I'll be eating my chia pudding at home today, I've served up one of my favourite breakfast bowls. Now, we are calling it a coconut chia pudding, but in fact, it's eaten mainly as breakfast. So here we have it, and for my toppings today, I'm going to just go for strawberries. Okay, so let's tuck in and see what this is like. This is so beautiful and refreshing. Lovely. Another good thing about this is the coconut milk is high in fats, good fats. Thanks so much for watching, guys. For more vegan foodie content from me, please subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks so much and see you next time. Bye.